This analysis sets aside the play-by-play and goes straight to the law. The November 11th stop began on a single inoperable headlight, a lawful basis under Whren versus United States. What followed raises 4 distinct legal questions worth examining in depth.
Hey, right here. We right here through the sunroof. That window don't let down. What's up, man?
Okay. I'm sorry. Just open the door real quick. I'm not talking through the sunroof.
Man, what's up, man?
I'm stopping you for your headlight. Open the door so I can talk to you. Huh?
You stopping us for a headlight?
Yeah, your headlight's out.
They got to get out on this side.
What?
They got to get out on this side.
This door doesn't work?
No.
None of the windows work or no?
No.
Like the back one? Okay. All right. I just need driver's license and insurance. Whose car is this? Yours?
It's my car.
Yours? Okay. Are you aware of the headlight already?
Man, come on, man. You see.
It's a whole collision.
Okay.
Why
Like,
you asking us that, man? You acting like, come on, baby. Don't be like that, bro.
Don't be like what?
You know we know the headlight.
All right. Driver's license and insurance. Do you not have a driver's license?
I mean, this is this car.
I know, but you're driving it.
I don't have my purse on me. Like, seriously, it was literally just working. Like, that light is not
Okay.
on that side.
Do you not have a state ID either then?
That light is on that side.
It is not.
What is that?
Ma'am, you're driving. You need a driver's license. Do you have one or
Is the
not?
light on in that?
Do you have a driver's license or not?
I do, but I'm
All right, then you need to produce it. That's the registration. I just need the insurance.
No, that light is on, man.
Ma'am, driver's license.
That light is on.
Listen, we're not arguing about this. Produce a driver's license or a state ID, something so I can look your driving record up.
But that's if I'm committing something. And I see this light is on.
Okay, listen. I'm not going to keep going back and forth with you, all right?
I'm just saying, is the light on or not?
Why are you not driving?
I'm asking
you
a question.
drunk or something or no?
Say what?
Have you been drinking? Is that why she's
we
driving?
going right here, man. Y'all
Okay.
tweaking, man.
It's not tweaking. You can't drive it without a headlight out.
No, we didn't have no. So, like, come on, man. We've been riding like this for like.
I don't care. You can't.
No,
First of
we
all,
just
you're
going right
getting way
here,
ahead of
though,
yourself,
man.
right? I didn't even say I was going to write you a ticket, but you have to produce insurance and a driver's license.
Yeah.
That's why I'm stopping you. It doesn't matter if you drive.
I got insurance. It should show insurance on the plates.
It doesn't show it. It
I don't
shows
have my
registration
purse
on
on
the
me.
plates.
And I told you I don't have my purse on me. It's what I'm telling you.
Okay, but you have a driver's license, correct?
I thought when I pulled off, everything was working on this car. Is what I'm saying.
Well, it currently does not.
But that's
So,
that's
all right.
on
So you don't have your purse, but do you have a driver's license?
I do in the state
Where's
of
it?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. Okay, I can look it up. That's fine.
Okay.
How do you spell your first name? Listen, now you can start at third for a PC.
We can't open the door. Can you talk to your partner?
Can you lower the window?
Hey, come on this side. Come on this side, man.
He's on that side for a reason. Like, right. It don't open.
What do you mean
It don't open.
How'd you get in the car?
Damn.
On this side,
Would you
man.
talk to him?
Is that the driver's license?
On this side. On this side. Hey, man. Hey.
Yeah.
I just told you on this side.
And I don't give what you told me.
What you doing?
I don't give what you told me.
I'm saying.
This ain't you don't run the show. You don't run the show.
So close.
I do.
So close.
This is my shit. Me.
Step out of the car.
Ooh.
This guy.
Why?
You are stepping out of the car. You're going to get arrested.
For what?
Step out of the car. You're going to break the window and get you out of the car, okay? No, it's not a driver's license. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window and pull you out.
We need a white shirt because he over here.
Listen, I need to have cover stepping up. We're refusing to get out of the car.
At this moment,
PC search.
y'all, he's doing the most. You was this fine.
Sir,
And they'll do
I am going to break your window and you'll be arrested for obstructing.
obstructing what? I just gave
I'm
you
telling you to get out of the car and you're not getting out of the car.
getting out the car for what?
Because I told you so.
We need a white shirt.
You're going to get arrested, both of you. Well, you don't have a driver's license. That's not a driver's license you showed me. And I told him to get out of the car and he's not getting out of the car.
Hey,
I am going to break your window if you do not open the door and step out.
I'm not calling this white shirt
Call whoever you want, but you still have to comply.
because I definitely did
Just give you my stuff.
What's your problem, bro?
I'm telling you to get out of the car. It's a lawful
Tell him to
order.
Come over on this other side.
If it's a lawful
Yeah,
order,
because we
you
asked
need
him
to
to
step
come
out
on
of the car.
other side.
Okay?
You have his
Can you call your-
information.
can you
I'm
call
And I
telling
gave
you.
you mine.
I'm telling you to get
I
out of the
gave
car.
you
White
mine.
shirt.
I gave
If you
you
do not get out
You
of the
just called a
car,
white shirt.
I'm not.
if you do not get out of the
Call
car,
a
you're gonna be
white
arrested,
shirt.
and I'm gonna
Call a
pull you
white
out.
shirt.
Okay?
Call a white shirt.
Can you call the white
I'm
shirt?
not gonna
Call a
keep
white
asking
shirt.
you. You're under
No.
arrest at this point for
No, we're
obstructing.
not. For what?
You are under
No,
arrest
we're
for
not.
What I do?
No.
obstructing.
Exactly.
I told you to get out of the car. You're not getting out of the car.
Just because you told him to get out the car,
Yes,
does not mean he
it
has
does,
to.
and you're going to get
he
arrested.
didn't do anything. Your partner.
Listen, if
came
you want
over
your
here
window broken,
and
I'll
said-
break it, okay?
Okay, you're
Or
gonna
you can
break
just
it for
step
what?
out.
You're gonna be perfect.
I'm
break
not,
it for
man.
what? We're not. We're not.
I'm not.
We're not.
Nobody's hostile.
Ain't nobody hostile.
Listen, I'm not going to tell you again.
He
You're
asked
under
if he
arrest.
couldn't open
You
my
need to step out of the car.
because my
or
side
I'm gonna
doesn't
break
work.
your window.
Don't none
okay?
of the windows work, but the passenger side.
I'm going to break
It's
your
the reason
window,
why you're over here.
and you are going to be arrested.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Step out now.
Who gonna step out? Step out for what?
Listen, now we're
You
gonna
got
break the window.
everybody's information. I just gave you. I gave you my information. I have a permit for Wisconsin, and I have a licensed driver.
Why you gonna bust my window?
I'm going to bust your window and break her out. This is the last time to get out of the car.
You gonna bust it?
Get out of the car now.
Bust my window.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Round. Step in your bed.
I ain't do nothing.
You're under arrest.
Wow.
Obstructing, I already told you. You didn't get out of the car when I told you to.
What did I do? Are you on again? I ain't do shit.
All right, well, you're also under arrest, so start climbing over.
I can't open my door.
Climb over. Stand up.
Open my door. He's the owner of the driver. How am I under arrest?
Get out of the car.
I can't, so I gotta get over.
You want me to? Okay, get over.
I'ma get over.
Get over right now.
But I'm doing what he told me to do, not nobody else.
Hop up on your feet.
I don't need my phone to get broken. I'm coming out.
Face the car.
Okay, I am. I mean, put my phone in my pocket.
Just give it to me.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Okay, turn around.
Okay, okay.
Turn around.
Okay.
Is this the only door that works in this car?
Yes.
How'd you get in there? You crawled up? You crawled up here?
I can't walk. I don't got neuropathy.
Okay.
They took me to get something to eat. That's it. What's the problem, baby?
The problem is they're not listening. That's the problem.
Okay. Well, I'm older.
Where do you live?
I live right there.
Okay. Well, the car's gonna get towed, so we'll figure out a ride to get you back to your house, okay?
Why am I going to jail?
Because you didn't provide your license.
I did. I gave him my phone
Okay.
as proof.
Well, okay, we're still obstructing. You don't want to follow the orders.
I did what I couldn't do nothing
Stand right here.
with the door that couldn't open.
Seriously,
And I'm
please.
telling you
Seriously,
that.
please. Okay, I'm just gonna pay you down at the back of my
No,
hand.
you're not. I need a female officer. I need a female officer.
not resisting.
I'm not resisting. Excuse me. I need an officer. You're not a woman. I don't have anything on me. And you're, okay. Bet. I promise you got the right one. That's my phone.
Cool.
Right.
You don't
I
know what's going on.
I promise you. I got you. I promise you. You're going to be famous in the morning. Right. Go ahead. Throw me around. I'm going to do exactly what you tell me to do.
Clearly not.
I am.
Get in the car.
I can't get, the door don't open. So how was I supposed to buy you? Go ahead, use your power. Use your power. Ain't no too late, nothing. I'll be out in a few hours.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Excuse me, I can get in. Talking about.
Now you want to listen?
Yeah. Come on. Hey, show your power. You got your power. What's my charge?
You'll figure it out.
Action?
You'll figure it out.
Huh?
So you'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not gonna tell me my charges?
Yeah, we'll tell you eventually.
I'm Mirandized.
Nope.
Did you tell me what I was under arrest for?
Oh yeah. Maybe you should listen.
It said obstruction. That's what y'all said.
Okay, so why
I
you?
didn't obstruct
So
anything.
why are you asking me
I
then?
gave him my information.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm getting let out from the police station.
Yep.
So you gave me a ride closer to my sister.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you. Did you Mirandize me?
Nope.
Exactly. Thank you.
You got a nice.
Still under investigation.
You got a good laugh. That's funny.
First, the order to exit the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, officers may order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle without any additional justification. Maryland versus Wilson extended that authority to passengers in 1997. The order itself is therefore facially lawful. But Mimms and Wilson presume a physically possible compliance with the order given. When the driver's window will not lower and the passenger's door will not open, the legal frame shifts. Federal courts have consistently required officers to give a meaningful opportunity to comply before treating non-compliance as criminal obstruction. Mechanical limitation is not contempt. Second, the identification doctrine. Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada upheld stop and identify statutes where officers possess reasonable suspicion. A driver on public roads is statutorily required to display a license on demand. However, where the driver verbally identifies herself, names her state of licensure, and offers her record for dispatch lookup, the typical statutory remedy is a citation for failure to display, not custodial arrest. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista permits custodial arrest for minor offenses constitutionally, but most state vehicle codes restrict that authority for non-display infractions. The constitutional ceiling and the statutory floor are not the same thing. Third, the use of force calculus. Graham versus Connor governs every threat and application of force. The court identified three principal factors: the severity of the underlying offense, the immediate threat posed by the suspect, and active resistance or flight. A non-criminal headlight infraction is, by definition, low on the first factor. Stationary occupants in a sedan, with no weapon visible and no flight attempted, are low on the second and third. The threat to forcibly breach the vehicle window must be measured against that record. Forced entry into an occupied vehicle is generally reserved for felony arrests, immediate threats, or genuine exigency. None of those conditions are established on the audio of this stop. Fourth, the obstruction statute itself. Across nearly every American jurisdiction, obstructing an officer requires a voluntary act that knowingly hinders official duty. Mere argumentation is not a voluntary act. Recording is not a voluntary act. Glik versus Cunniffe established the First Amendment right to record police in public. Verbal challenge to an officer is protected under City of Houston versus Hill, which held that the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism directed at police, short of fighting words under Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire. The resisting arrest charge layered on top inherits a derivative weakness. In most states, resisting cannot stand if the underlying arrest was unlawful. A failed obstruction predicate frequently collapses the resisting count with it. The grading reflects this analysis. The primary officer earns a C-. The stop and the documentation request were proper. The escalation to custodial arrest, without a meaningful dispatch lookup, and participation in window breach threats, were not. The secondary officer earns a D+, driven principally by the obstruction arrest decision, against a passenger physically constrained by a non-functional door, and by the failure to articulate the charge clearly when first asked at arrest. The driver earns a B-. Verbal identification, no physical resistance, and an explicit on-record statement of non-resistance preserved her legal options well. The passenger earns a C+. Recording preserved his First Amendment record, but sustained interjection during the driver's interaction added avoidable complexity. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. For officers, when a lawful order intersects with a documented mechanical impossibility, adjust the manner of compliance before escalating to force or arrest. For drivers, identify yourself verbally, name your state of licensure, and state clearly on the record any condition that limits compliance. For passengers, record without commentary, and let the driver speak. Verbal protest is protected, but it rarely improves the legal position of either occupant. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content informative or compelling, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release new uploads. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most fascinating police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments, and there's a lot more on the way. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.